My name is Raquel Campos. I came from Brazil. I'm originally Brazilian, and since 6 years I've moved to Germany, and currently since 1 year I joined Deutsche Aircraft, always working in the manufacturing engineering department. The first day I joined Deutsche Aircraft, so I was in the queue to take my badge, and there was a queue of new employees, and the person in front of me, it was the vice president of marketing sales. So I introduced myself. Hey, nice to meet you. My name is Raquel, and I will be working in manufacturing engineering. And this person came back to me and said, and I am the vice president of marketing sales, and it was a woman. And in that moment I say, I like it. I do understand companies, and I do believe that the companies should be more open to receive women and put them in these leadership positions, because they simply inspire other people. Being open to receive more women in the market, this is already, it's very important.